Okay. So what I want to talk to you about in this last example is, what if we have a situation where I'm not really asking you to add two fractions or subtract two fractions, but I am saying that in order to simplify you would need to do that. And so let's do the following. So let's say I had a over 25 minus a over 5 all over a. So when you see this kind of problem, we'll do some practice with this today on whiteboards, where we have basically like two fractions embedded inside another fraction. What we always want to do first, guys, is if we can, we want to always simplify our numerator or denominator, okay? And so in this case, what I'm saying is, I am going to start this problem by subtracting those two fractions first, okay? So in order to do that, do you see that they have different denominators? Okay, this has a denominator of 25 and this has a denominator of 5. Couldn't I just multiply this by 5 to get a 25? I don't have to do both fractions. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply the top and bottom of just this fraction on the right by 5 over 5. I'm going to have my thing over a. What that gives me then is a over 25 minus 5a over 25. Okay, so now I do have a common denominator. Some of you probably can skip this in between step. You could have gone right to putting those terms together, and that's fine. I'm just trying, my job is to explain it to you right now, so that's why I'm writing it out. Could you add your terms on the top here? Remember, I'm just working with this still. What's a minus 5a? Negative 4a. So we simplify this now as negative 4a, putting those together, over our 25 divided by a. Okay, I'm going to highlight this right here. What I want you to think of that fraction bar is a fraction bar is the same as a division bar. Okay, so what this really means is negative 4a over 25 divided by a. That's what that means. All right, so what's the acronym or the kind of the phrase that we've been using when we're doing fraction division? Keep, change, flip. So let's do that and see what happens. We keep our negative 4a over 25. We change the division to multiplication. This is a, or think of this as a over 1. What happens when we flip it? Becomes 1 over a. Okay, at this point then, you're going to want to simplify things out. So I do notice here that there's an a in the numerator and an a in the denominator. I could go one more step and cancel this out. This reduces to negative 4 over 25. Okay. Okay, so backing up, is there any question that you have on any of our steps that we did there? The biggest thing is when you see those two fractions, if possible, that we want to simplify any sums or differences first. Okay, so leave your notes out, please. You still have your whiteboard, right? Let's do some practicing. Yeah. Yeah, you can. Do you want to go in the hall and do... No. You just want to copy them?
Yeah.
Okay. Because they're on Google Classroom, if that would help you